Welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It's your host with the most, another extended morning thought. So let's start this one off by saying morning thoughts, morning thoughts, morning thoughts. That Brains was right. I guess pregnant women can tell when other women are pregnant. I don't know because she pinned it way early. Who we're talking about? Cardi B. Cardi B came out last night and officially showed her bump. Alright, now just in case you missed it, she had a performance on SNL last night, so I just grabbed two screenshots just to show you what the bump looked like. Obviously, she's pregnant. She's out in the open now. Here you have it. Now, a lot of people have been saying that she's pregnant. Some were saying, no, she's not. She probably just gained a little weight, including myself, until Brains pinpointed certain things that I said, yes, she was. Right, Bill? Yes. Alright, so if you're new to my channel, those two links right there, go and subscribe to them. That's Brains and the Beat at YouTube and SouFLoTV at YouTube, our two other channels. And yes, that's the wifey. That's Brains right there with a belly. Officially, she came out. But, of course, you know how it goes in the world of entertainment, smokes and mirrors. People were already bidding on that belly. That's my thing, right? People were already bidding on that belly. So I'm guessing that SNL probably paid her a hefty freaking sum to... And this is when you have good management, because your management could be like, look, hold that down. I'm going to contact SNL, I'm going to contact so-and-so, Jimmy Kimmel, all the hit talk shows, whichever one you get to perform on, they're going to have to pay that check. Your album is coming out. We're going to release the first single. First time you perform it live, it'll be on SNL. And also, we'll give them a bonus. We'll also reveal the belly. She did that on SNL, so it's official. No one needs to guess anymore. Cardi B is pregnant. She's knocked up. It's official. People are still speculating, though, and they're saying that her and Offset are actually married. Remember, he did propose to her in a big way, right? In front of thousands of people on a stage before a live performance or during a live performance. And then there was something leaked out to the media that they had a private wedding somewhere with just a few friends and they are married. I don't know about that. We'll see how the story develops. But congratulations to Cardi B, and hopefully Offset is the daddy. Congratulations to him too. I'm sure she wouldn't play herself like that though. So congratulations to both of them. Now, big up to Marvin and Nickeisha. Because, first of all, let me stop and say this to my Jamaican audience. I respect you, right? And I understand and I love your support. Not just Jamaican, anybody. Let's take the Jamaican back outside. Anybody who supports SouFLoTV and you're a genuine supporter, I love you and I respect your support. But please understand, if the video is not your type, then go and find a video on the channel that's your type. There are literally hundreds of videos on SouFLoTV that are worth watching more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times because they're filled with so much information. I did so much research and put so much information into giving you those videos. So me no want to see you come on the video them when me do something like this and I talk about troops, kiss me teeth, SouFLo go find something better. This here a waste of my time. And okay, it's not yours, I understand that. And then you end that with big up yourself anyway. Waste of time, but big up yourself anyway. I don't need you to say all that. If it's not your type of video, just leave, right? I don't troll the internet looking for videos I don't like to tell the people I don't like their videos. Think about it. Use your time constructively. Time is precious, yeah? Alright, watch me. Now, a lot of people have a lot to say about Marvin and Nickeisha, and it kills me when people are like, nobody not care about them. Really? Nickeisha released this little statement here, officially confirming that she is back with Marvin the Beast, right? And if you think nobody cares, is a girl. She released like a statement. 21,063 likes. I think people do care. Okay? Now, in case you missed it, this was the statement that Nickeisha released. One long letter, I know. She said, good night to everyone. Now things... Wait, let me show you first. If you don't know, yesterday I did a video with Nickeisha and Marvin, and they were both in the airport. Nickeisha was sitting on Marvin's lap, and him take the picture, kissy face emoji, all these things, post it on Instagram. Them say as soon as him post it, him take it back down. Well, he posted and I caught it. Anyways, See there? They were off to St. Martin to do a gig. They're both performers and they were both booked for the gig. With that picture she posted, this long thing right here, which I'm going to read to you right now. There are a lot of people that don't wish them well. A lot of people don't wish them well, and there are a lot of people that do support them, think they look good together, and do wish them well. Anyways, this is what Nickeisha had to say. She said, "Good night to everyone. Now, things been happening for a while, and I did not say anything. No one knows what's been happening in my life. If you see me on social media every day, that doesn't mean I post everything about my life. Me and Marvin, hashtag Marvin the Beast," and she tagged him in it right there. People seem to think that because we're on social media that everything that we put up, it's our whole life. Not true, babe? Yep. They feel like they know your life inside out because you give them a little peep into angles of your life. And I can truly relate to her saying that. Okay, me and Marvin the Beast had an argument and we part ways. He went on social media and did stuff that hurt me, my family, and my fans, which I said I would never forgive him for. I try very, very hard to stay away from him, but things happen and we all are human. Alright. She said they had an argument, they fell out. Marvin went on social media, did things to hurt her and her family. She said she'd never forgive him about all that. The whole thing with the New York and the Mapali, other girls around and all these other things. I've been told that he even said some very derogatory things about her, like she nasty and dirty, and him find her in a one lane, in a one dirty one bedroom, and all these other things. I don't know, I never saw it. Other people are saying it in the comment section below. That's not something you should have throw back in somebody's face, especially on public, a platform like social media that they have. But things happen, like Nikki said. I try very, very hard to stay away from him, but things happen and we all are human. I know people been saying good and bad about the situation, but everything will be okay. I know what I am doing. Some people are saying he's a bad person. I know he's not. I know most of you been through worse and still managed to forgive. It's not like him diss me plenty time. This was the one time. This is a one-time thing, and things do happen, and I don't hide my feelings for him. I won't hide my feelings for him," she said. "He asked for my forgiveness so many times in so many different ways, so I decide to give it another chance in my life. I know I'm a public figure, but my entertainment life is different from my relationship. Now, up to today, no one knows what really happened between us." Again, that part where I said they're officially back together, she said, "He asked for my forgiveness so many times in so many different ways, so I decided to give it another chance in my life. I know I'm a public figure." See that? They're back together again officially. Well, in her eyes anyways. And I hope Marvin is on board too. Because sometimes you end up in a relationship and you're there by yourself and the other person never come back in a relationship with you. But let's hope that's not the case here. Today, up to today, no one really knows what really happened between us. Trust me, I love all my fans and day one supporters. I'm going to continue to do what I do best, entertaining. Hashtag entertaining. You all. So to everyone, peace and love to you all. Back to my work now. Okay, have a blessed night. I think everyone deserves a second chance. She says it again. It's not easy to just let go something you have going over 8 years of happiness. I don't remember Marvin and Nickeisha being together that long for 8 years, but maybe she's talking about Marvin I deal with somebody else for a long time and him didn't go back over there and him couldn't let it go, and she understand that letting go of an 8-year thing is hard. I don't know. Somebody clear up that 8-year part there for me, because me don't know. Marvin and Nickeisha, if you said this, clear up the 8-year part for me, because I don't know either. I'm very interested in the mix-up this morning. Anyway, I think everyone deserves a second chance. It's not easy to just let go something you have going for over 8 years of happiness. We are all woman, except for me. Hashtag, no one is perfect. I love you all. And I'm always going to be that person I have always been, or be. She said be. Been. Hashtag, never change again. Enough love. I respect all my fans and day one supporters. Praise hands, kissy face, heart, all that. And one bag of comment over here. People are saying, I'm so happy for you guys. I was waiting for this day for so long. I love you. F the haters. I've been here from day one. You don't owe nobody no explanation. Eminem to the world. Marvin and Nickeisha to the world. Now the people have said, do what makes you happy, boo. You're happy and that's perfect. But God. Somebody else said, Nikki, your true fans love you no matter what. We love you guys together. So big up yourself on this beautiful Sunday. And don't let no low life steal your joy. And they go on and on. She literally has thousands of supporters over here bigging her up and telling her that whatever makes her happy, they support her 100%. And I'm going to close this vlog out by saying this. What people choose to do with their life is their business. Just like what you choose to do with your life is your business. I said it before, I'm going to say it again. I understand that people are in the public eye, right? And once you put stuff out there, it entitles other people to their opinion. But your opinion is just your opinion. Stop thinking that people must live their life based on your opinions, rules, and regulations, right? Because that's not how you live yours. And you don't want that for someone. You don't want that for yourself. So don't think that somebody else wants that for them. Big up the people them and support them same way, right? And wish them all the best. If them break up, then break up. We grown enough to know that relationships sometimes don't last forever. If them stay together, more power to them. Don't it? It's SouFLoTV, man. I'm up out of here. Keep it positive and progressive. It's a Sunday. Big up to all the Sunday worshippers. Them, I know my granny them gone to church. And them I pray for me, even though I'm not a Sunday worshipper either. But you don't know it, go already. I'm out. Peace.